One of the most unexpectedly practical and useful items I've got my hands on this year is this digital outdoor power timer from Dewenwils. The box is waterproof, comes with a remote that can operate up to 100 feet away, and it's equipped with 6 grounded outlets, 3 in the front and 3 in the back. Here's some of the company's warnings and limitations, so you can pause that if you want to go over those. But this is as plug and play as it gets. As you see here, once you take it out of the box, you simply screw in the bottom stake to the middle piece, which then attaches to the bottom of the box. From there, all you're going to do is place it firmly in the ground wherever you want. You can hide it in the bushes or place it a little bit more front and center like I have here, but either way, really, it's hardly noticeable. Now, it is perfect for Christmas lights as a temporary power source, or if you want it to be more of a permanent solution that's going to last a long time, you can do that too. We know it's going to last a good while because outside of the waterproof ability, it's also protected from dirt and dust, which we know is going to blow in there just from the wind or from the lawnmower. But once you stake it in the ground, you can plug it into an outlet directly or plug it into an extension cord, which I'm choosing to do here. Now, side note, Dewenwils makes an incredible retractable extension cord if you're in the market. Mine is mounted to the side of my house, and I'm about to buy a second one for the other side. So they're as awesome as you'd hope they'd be, but I digress. What I love about the digital timer, outside of the functions which we're going to go over here in just a minute, is that it's a very slim design and it can be secluded pretty much anywhere. If you want it out in the open or placed more flush against the house, you can do so. All of the outlets are covered, which is fantastic. Now, the remote comes with batteries and operates straight out of the box. And as I mentioned earlier, it'll operate up to 100 feet away. So you can be inside your house and light up Frosty the Snowman without having to step outside in the actual snow. But this is made for outdoors, but folks, nothing is stopping you from just putting it inside somewhere too. You could hide it under a bed or behind a couch and use the remote for indoor mood lighting or a fountain feature or really anything else. First things first, and you'll send power to it by switching this button here. Then you'll turn it on by pressing the big select button here. This is for on and off continuously. The sensor works in 2 ways, either directly as a dusk to dawn feature where it will come on in the evening hours and then off in the morning, or with the ability to start at dusk and go for the 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours that you select. The timer works the same way. You'll simply select timer and then select how many hours you want it to stay on for, 2, 4, 6, or 8. The remote works the exact same way, but without needing to press the select button. You can choose your options directly as a button. And that's it, folks. I really wish it was more complicated than that, but it's not. It's as easy as it looks with sticking it in the ground, running a power source to it, or simply plugging it into an outlet, and it's ready to go, remote and all. So give this product a shot if you're in the market for something like this or you need this. It's got a nice green color to stay camouflaged amongst all of your landscaping and your foliage, whether it's out in the open or hidden more back up against a wall. I've been a fan of Dewenwils products for a while now, and I can say that I'm definitely a fan of this one now too. But reach out anytime with questions or concerns. I do hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.